So my name is Nujoud Alotaibi. I am a Saudi artist based in Jeddah. I work with, as you see here, hyper-realistic style and abstract style. So I am a hard of hearing person. I once was in the beach with my friends and I was like, I didn't wear my hearing aids and I was hearing them very clearly. I was like, okay guys, what's going on? Like there is something here that I don't know. So I did my research and I found out that sound travels through air, and when there is no walls, it doesn't hit like anything but you. You can see it's an abstract style, and it's the sunset is in the beach of Jeddah. Because I'm a Saudi artist, I wanted to reflect my culture in nature. Especially the desert and the beaches. I want to impress these two natures. For me, I can see them the same in sound, how it travels through air, but they are so different. I really want that people from all ages to have the feeling that they can show their work, not only limited in exhibition or galleries. You can show your work in stores. You can show your work also, like, for example, in coffee stores. I really wanted to give the youth, to encourage them that you can show your work anywhere you like.